Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is about overhauling, and the overhauling engine is YANMAR engine. It's a ship generator engine used as a generator. This is engine fuel pump, and fuel pump auto system, fuel filter. Actually, this old engine will overhaul. Before overhauling, I would like to show you full engine. This is 5-cylinder, 1 2 3. This is number one cylinder. Exhaust temperature meter are for every individual cylinder. This is lube oil filling line. Actually, this generator was rejected. Now we will try to again start it. This is fuel. This is a pump, sea water pump, cooling pump also, and this is the lube oil cooler. For overhauling, our pre-preparation is going on. This is exhaust manifold and exhaust pipelining, and this is the cooler, lube oil cooler, and the another side of alternator. The alternator function is convert mechanical power to electric power. Brushless AC generator. This generator is from Japan. This is air regulator. Now it is the first part of our video about overhauling. In this video I will showing you the generator before overhauling, and my next video will coming soon about full video. This is air distributor, and this is the RPM camshaft, cam lock wheel lever. This engine will overhaul today. Our next video you will see this about this overhauling. It's overhauling. So guys, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching my video.